Good afternoon, everyone. In last lecture, we have seen about microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor is an electronic chip which is used for the processing purpose, and it is electronic chip which is capable for decision making purpose. CPU, if you see the CPU of a computer, microprocessor is a heart of computer system in which we are using read and RAM memory. ROM and RAM memories, these memories are useful for the storage purpose. Then we are using their serial interface, and we are using timer and input output ports. In comparison with microprocessor, microcontroller is a heart of embedded system in which all these peripherals, memory, serial interface, input output ports, timers are inbuilt inside the microcontroller. That's why microcontroller is used for the controlling purpose. In microprocessor and microcontroller, we have seen we are using the address bus to identify the location of any device, and we are using their data buses to transfer data from ADC to DAC, or to transfer data to the other peripheral from microprocessor, or from microprocessor to the other peripheral. Then we are using their control signal. These are the carry control buses which are used for the selection of memory and selection of the input output devices. It means what? हमें कौन सा इनपुट आउटपुट पोर्ट सिलेक्ट करना है, हमें कौन सी मेमोरी यूज करना है, ऑल दिस controlling have been done by these control buses. Then we have seen in arithmetic and logic unit, we are doing addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, ANDing. All these operations are done inside the accumulator. Arithmetic logic unit is used in microprocessor as well as in the microcontroller. Then we have seen, as compare with microcontroller, all equipment, all these devices are inbuilt, and it is the cost efficient as compared with microprocessor. In microcontroller, the clock speed varies from megahertz to the 30 to 50 megahertz, few megahertz to 30 to 50 megahertz. And in microprocessor, the clock speed is high as compared to the microcontroller. The speed is above the megahertz. It means here speed is above the 1 gigahertz. Am I audible? Please, if anyone will respond, then it will good. Suyesh, just raise your hand, or you can unmute yourself and you can talk. Okay. Then we have seen the role of embedded system. In embedded system, microcontroller is the heart of embedded system, and embedded system is defined with particular function with larger mechanical and the electrical system. It is the combination of computer processor, computer memory, input output peripherals, all these devices. Modern embedded systems are often based on microcontroller, as well as these are based on the microprocessor. Then we have seen about the open source embedded platform. Open source, as name defines, open source means it is the free license copy. Means बिना परचेस किए हम कोई भी उसे यूज कर सकते हैं. As open source platform is available for everyone, this tool is used to develop hardware and software that has been created by contributor around the world. There are many points to be considered while choosing the open source platform. जैसे कि हम कोई भी डिवाइस खरीदते हैं, जैसे कि हम मोबाइल लेते हैं, हम क्या देखते हैं कि उसका कैमरा कैसा है, उसका रैम कितना है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. लाइक इफ वी आर यूजिंग एनीथिंग, It may be free or if we have to pay something. Firstly, we will see about all these features the device having. Like we have to see about the open source nature. It means what? As it is the open source, there will be some advantage, there will be some disadvantage. What will be the advantage? As it is open source, anyone can use. There is no requirement of the license copy. But as it is the open source, there will be unknown bugs can be created at any time. This is the disadvantage. If we see about the protection, the security with open source has both advantage and the disadvantage. Just wait for a minute. Just wait. Am I audible? Okay. Then now we have to see about the Arduino. It is the free license copy. It means what? It is the open source copy and it can be useful for anyone. If you see, Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It means what? If we are not that much aware about any language, any programming language, C, C++, then also we can. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So here we have to see Arduino. It is the open source electronics platform. It is useful for everyone. It is open source electronic platform which is useful for easily purpose for the hardware and सॉफ्टवेयर इट मीन्स व्हाट ये ओपन सोर्स प्लेटफॉर्म है इसे कोई भी यूज कर सकता है इफ वी आर नॉट दैट मच अवेयर अबाउट एनी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज like C++ language, then also we can use Arduino platform because it is very much easy and it can be useful for everyone. Arduino boards are able to read input signals. They can able to light on sensors. They can be useful for a finger on a button or Twitter message. It means what? Arduino is platform which is useful for processing as well as the controlling purpose at everywhere. It means what? You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instruction. It means what? जैसे कि हमें मोबाइल में कोई वीडियो प्ले करना है तो हमें क्या करना होगा, जस्ट सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस मीन्स फर्स्टली व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सेट एनी पिन एज अ इनपुट। इट मीन्स व्हाट, जैसे कि मेरे पास एक पोर्ट है, मैं वो पोर्ट का एक पिन एज अ इनपुट कंसीडर कर रही हूँ और उसके पोर्ट के दूसरे पिन को मैं एलईडी कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ। और उसके बाद मेरा वहां वर्क ऐसा है कि मैं एलईडी जब मेरा पोर्ट में इनपुट में मैं 13 पिन को जब इनपुट दूंगी तभी मेरा एलईडी ग्लो होना है। It means what? If we are giving input to one port and we are giving input by giving set of instructions, then automatically LED will glow on that, on the execution of this instruction. It means what? We are giving here set of instructions. After this execution of these instructions, here we will see the output on a output board. To do so, just we have to do Arduino programming language and the Arduino software. Over the years, Arduino has been the brain of thousands of projects, from everyday objects to the complex specific instrument. Arduino was born at the Ivira Interaction Design Institute as an easy tool for the fast prototyping, and if the students have they not have that much background in the electronics and programming, then also the students will capable to do programming on Arduino. We will see the features of Arduino. As Arduino is a free license copy, it is means what, it is the open source copy, it will be the inexpensive. It means what, Arduino boards are relatively inexpensive compared to the other microcontroller platform. It means the least expensive version of Arduino can be assembled by hand. And we will see the next picture. This is the cross platform. The Arduino software runs on any operating system. It means what? It can be run on Windows, it can be run on Linux, any operating system. Then it is a simple, clear programming environment. It means what? यहाँ जो प्रोग्रामिंग है वो बहुत सिंपल है, तुम्हें प्रोग्रामिंग में इतना बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, तुम्हें सी लैंग्वेज सी प्लस प्लस इतना नहीं भी समझ में आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ओनली हमें जो एग्जीक्यूट करना है, इट मीन्स व्हाट, हमारा जो पर्पस है उसके हमें सिंपल इंस्ट्रक्शंस हमें देना है, एट द टाइम द प्रोग्राम विल गेट एग्जीक्यूटेड. Then it is the open source and the extensible software. It means what? Arduino software is published as open source and it is available for extension by experienced programmers. The language can be expanded through the C++, C language, and people wanting to understand the technical details can make the leap from Arduino to the any programming language. Then it is open source and extensible hardware. The plan of Arduino board are published under a Creative Commons license, so experiment circuit designers can make their own version of the module. It means what? मेरा Arduino IDE है जो मैंने बनाया है, वो और कोई आप में से ले रहा है तो उसे आपके हिसाब से, like if Sete is taking my Arduino copy, then what will happen? He can make this hardware by his own. It means what? He can make any changes by his own. It means what? It is the open source and it is a extensible hardware copy. Now we have to see about the programming concepts. Arduino programming are written in a Arduino integrated development tool. It is the Arduino integrated development tool, which is very easy as compared to the C language. Here we are writing a program just like a C language. The Arduino programming language is based on very simple hardware programming language, which is similar to the C language. If we see the structure of the Arduino programming, it consists of two blocks. These blocks are called as the preparation and the execution block. It means what? जो यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम है, जो हम ये प्रोग्रामिंग टूल में IDE में प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं, उसमें हमें सिर्फ 2 ब्लॉक में प्रोग्राम लिखना है. These are nothing but the functions. It means what? Here we are preparing, then we are executing. Each block has a set of statements enclosed in a curly braces. जैसे कि C लैंग्वेज में हम कोई भी प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं, from what we will start the C programming, we start from void main, then we start the curly bracket, and then we start the our program. वैसे ही हमें यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम लिखना है 2 ब्लॉक्स में. एक ब्लॉक जो है वो है प्रिपरेशन एंड अदर इज अ एग्जीक्यूशन ब्लॉक्स. If you see the structure of Arduino programming will look like this. This is the setup box. This block is called as a preparation block, and this block is called as a execution block. It means what? हमें जो भी instructions देना है. It means what? जैसे कि मुझे LED ग्लो करना है, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, कोई एक पोर्ट को, जैसे कि पोर्ट के 13 पिन नंबर को मैं एज अ इनपुट कंसीडर करूंगी और पोर्ट के 14 पिन नंबर को मैं एज अ आउटपुट कंसीडर करूंगी. At that time, what we have to do? We have to put this instruction in the preparation block. And when I will give the input, at that time I will see LED will glow. This will happen in void loop. As name identify here, loop. Loop means what? It will happen repeatedly. मतलब क्या है, जब तक LED ग्लो नहीं होगा तब तक जो भी है, like LED, if you are giving any instructions, if you are doing any functions here, at that time what will happen, जो तुम यहाँ पे instructions दोगे in preparation block, that will execute in a void loop. This is the basic structure for the Arduino IDE development tool. Here in Arduino programming, we are using here conditional programming. Conditional programming, if you see about the C language. In C language, what we will do? In C language, we are using if, else, if, we are using else, if, we are using while, do. These are nothing but the conditional, as name identified. If, else, मतलब क्या है? If condition है, मतलब if में, if 1 plus 1 equal to 2, then it will happen. मतलब if this condition is satisfied, then only this will happen. And if this condition is false, at that time what will happen? It will check for other condition. It means what? They will check else if there is another condition and this condition will satisfy, then it will execute. But if first condition will be false here, like this also, here is if statement. Firstly, in if statement, what will happen? If this condition is get satisfied, then here whatever instructions we will give, these instructions will be fetched, these instructions will be executed, and we will get the output here. If you see the if you see the structure of this, all these contents are coming in the preparation block, and then if this preparation block, we are giving here input and output, and here in execution, if you are giving input to that pin, then only we will get the output here. In conditional, we see if condition, then if else condition, and if else if condition. In if statement, what will happen? It is the basic of all programming control structure. Here it allows you to make something happen. Depends on condition. If condition true, then it will happen. And if condition is false, then it will not happen. In another conditional, it is nothing but the if else. In if else, what happen? If condition will get satisfied, then only this instructions will be executed. And if this condition is false, then it will go to the other statement. This is nothing but the else. And if first condition is false, and then only here instructions will get executed. And in third one, conditional programming is a else if, in which firstly it will see for the if condition. If this condition is true, then it will go to the another condition. मतलब यहाँ पे एक साथ दो कंडीशन है. फर्स्ट कंडीशन चेक होने के बाद भी और एक चेक कर रहा है. हियर ये क्या कर रहा है, डू स्टफ इफ फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज फॉल्स. इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि अदर कंडीशन जो है वो ट्रू है. एट दैट टाइम दिस विल गेट एग्जीक्यूटेड. This is the basic concepts for the Arduino programming. Am I audible to everyone? हाँ, आपको यदि यहाँ पे कोई भी दिक्कत है, कहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो you can ask me any questions. Otherwise, I will revise the things in 5 minutes and we will conclude our class. If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask me. Here we are seeing Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronic platform. It is used for hardware as well as for the software purpose. Arduino software is used for any purpose, like if you want to light on a sensor, if you want to activate any motor, if you want to publishing something online, all these parameters are done by Arduino programming. If you see, these are the features of Arduino IDE. IDE inexpensive because Arduino IDE is open source platform, and this platform is operated on any operating system. It will be operated on Linux, it will be operated on Windows, any programming you can done here, and it is very simple. Here, if you see, this software as well hardware of Arduino will be open source for everyone. It means what? Anyone can do changes as per his or her wish. Then we have seen here the programming concept for the IDE. Here, if you see the programming concept, here we are using the programming which is very simple. If students are not having that much knowledge about the C language or any programming language, C++, then also we can do program here because this programming language is very simple. Here programming structure consists of two blocks. One block is a preparation block and other is a execution block. Each block is having set of instructions enclosed in a curly braces. It means what? We are starting to write our program by using the curly braces. Here two blocks we are using. These blocks are calling as a preparation block. Setup blocks means the preparation and void loop means it is a execution block. सेटअप मीन्स क्या, हम यहाँ पे प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं कि हमें कौन से इंस्ट्रक्शन चाहिए, हमें क्या क्या करना है, और जो हमें एग्जीक्यूट करना है. इट मीन्स व्हाट, जो हमें इनपुट देना है. मतलब यहाँ पे मैं डिसाइड करूंगी कि मेरी कौन सी पिन इनपुट है, कौन सी पिन आउटपुट है पोर्ट की, और जो इनपुट देना है वो मैं यहाँ पे वाइड लूप में दूंगी. तो तब क्या होगा, मेरा जो प्रोग्राम है, फर्स्टली the instructions will get fetched and after that instructions will get executed in while loop, and as name identifies here these executions will happen repeatedly up to we will get the output. Here we have to see conditional programming. In conditional programming, we are using if else, and we are using here else if. Firstly, we will see about the if statement. In if statement, what we are doing? Firstly, we are seeing the condition is satisfied or not. If condition is get satisfied, then only this condition will given in a void set. It means what? This condition will give in a setup, this preparation block, and then we will get the here execution. Then we will see about the if else. In if else, we will give two conditions. It means what? This condition will get satisfied, then we will do execution. And if this condition is not true, it means what? If this condition is false, then only this will execute these instructions. And in else if, we are giving here two conditions. In if else there is only one condition, but what will happen, पहली कंडीशन जो है वो ट्रू है तो वो अलग प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, और ये कंडीशन यदि फॉल्स है तो इट विल एग्जीक्यूट द इंस्ट्रक्शंस आफ्टर दिस कर्ली ब्रेसेस, व्हाट विल गेट. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, इन इल्स इफ वी आर गिविंग हियर टू कंडीशंस. फर्स्ट वी विल सी इफ दिस कंडीशन इज सेटिस्फाइड, दिस कंडीशन विल सेटिस्फाइड, देन व्हाट विल डू, we will do stuff. It means what, यहाँ पे जो भी instructions है we will execute. और ये नहीं है, it means what, then we will give another conditions. If another condition is true and first condition is false, then इसके बाद जो हम यहाँ पे instructions देंगे वो instructions यहाँ पे execute होंगे. So thank you. I have to take attendance. Just wait for me.